Good evening friends. Time for a technical update on the markets. The Nifty opened in the negative today. However, it gained momentum during the end of the day, ending the day with a 44-point gain on the Nifty. The mid cap and the small cap index also rose close to 0.5% for the day. The advance decline ratio was 843 advances to 643 declines. Now let us have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has touched 5850, which was our initial target on the upside, and we now expect 5940 to be the next target, which is the 61% retracement of the entire fall which we have seen from the highs of 6111. The daily momentum indicator is in sync with the price action. On the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty has been trading in a channelized manner and it has closed above the upward sloping resistance trend line. We expect this rally or the momentum to continue on the upside for targets of 5940, which is the 61% retracement level. 5803 and 5791, which are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, should act as a crucial support for Nifty going forward. Now moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also continued its upward rally and it is nearing its resistances of 20 daily moving average, which is placed at 12,067, and 12,180, which is the 40-day exponential moving average. We expect the rally in bank stocks also to continue. The daily momentum indicator of the Bank Nifty has a positive crossover. Now moving on to some stock specific ideas for tomorrow. The first one which we have is Asian Paints. We can observe that Asian Paints has been in a medium term uptrend and it has taken support at the lower end of the rising channel in which it has been trading. We expect targets of 48.25 on Asian Paints in the short term. The daily momentum indicator has a positive crossover and it is also trading above its 20 and 40 daily moving averages. Another stock which we have is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has broken out from a downward sloping channel and it has also closed above 20 daily moving average. We expect targets of 1160, that is 1160 on ICICI Bank in the short term. The daily momentum indicator is also having a positive crossover. So we expect ICICI Bank to trade with a positive bias in the short term. Thank you.